The 2021 Audi Q5 key fob uses a CR232 battery. To begin, obtain a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Locate the keyring slot on the fob and gently insert the tool to separate the two halves of the plastic casing. Apply slight pressure to pop open the case. Be cautious not to force it, as this can crack the plastic. Avoid using metal tools near the internal circuit board to prevent damage. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. With the key fob open, note the orientation of the CR232 battery, positive side up. Remove the old battery. Insert the new CR232, ensuring the correct polarity. The fob has a notched slot for foolproof installation. Snap the case back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm functionality. If the vehicle doesn't recognize the fob, try inserting the key into the ignition and cycling it. In rare cases, dealer reprogramming might be needed.